Girl support, babe. Hi my beautiful, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. We have workout with my Barbie girl, Binous gym. We're gonna train hamstring, ginger shot. Are you ready? Let's go. We're gonna be heavy today. Yeah. Healthy pre-workout ever. Who is here? Hi, babe. My beautiful Barbie girl. Hamstrings today. Ooh. This booty pump. Look what kind of belt she prepared for me. And here, Louis Vuitton. She's like, hey girl, you're so tan. Barbie workout. Pinky. What we gonna train today?
We're gonna do some hamstrings.
Hamstring.
I
Okay.
think most of females do not put enough effort into the hamstrings. They're training glutes, squats, a lot of squats, but what about hamstrings? So we're gonna also focus on some compounds and also a lot of isolation. Lots of ilateral
Oh,
work.
sorry.
If you guys know what's ilateral work, a lot of single-legged work as well. How many times do you feel like one of your hamstrings is weaker than the other one? Do you ever train them separately? Well, today we show you how.
She's pro.
So on the first exercise, we are going to a little bit wake up our hammies, okay? We're gonna do single-legged bridges off the bench, okay? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna sit down on your bum, stretch your back, one leg extend, one leg up here, okay? And then you're gonna extend your hip through your heel and lift the other leg up, squeeze the hammy. Pull your stomach in, push through your heels, up, squeeze your back, down, sit. Up and down. Oi, 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 oi. Look at this beautiful hammies, baby. Yes. Oh la la. Yeah, let's go. Your right foot needs to go more forward, babe. That's it, and go. Oh, see the hammies, guys? Back straight, back up, yes. Yes. Wow. Look at these babies. Amazing. So apparently her shorts are too short. There is no such a thing as too short shorts.
They asked me to change.
I said there is no such a thing as too short shorts.
What do you guys?
What do you guys think? Okay, so we're gonna add this baby, make it a little bit more difficult for the most advanced ones. Go down, reach your bum, and we're going up again. Hold your dumbbell with one hand. Up, down. Burn. Burn, baby, burn. Extend. That's it. Good morning for the hammies and the glutes. Wake them up. She's gonna stand on one leg, slightly more in the middle. Okay, now she will pull you her belly button in. Slightly bend your knee. And hinge from the hip all the way back. Extend your hip through your heel and breathe out. So make sure you brace, so pulling your belly button in when you're going through the movement to protect your lower back.
Totally great after second exercise.
How to properly do a leg curl, because probably until now you didn't do it right for your life.
Leg curl.
I promise you that. really, really heavy, I would double your weight. Yes, you heard me right, double your weight. Because this is going to be much tougher than you think. And you will really feel it on the right place. So, wherever you will do a 39 or 40 kg before, half maybe 20. And it might be still too heavy. So from here, arching your back, completely squeeze it. Yeah, if you have a look from here, and totally squeeze. Totally squeeze. Slide down while it's totally squeezed. Heels together, toes slightly out. Your body a little bit. This is not moving. Your hips are pushed against, yeah? Your bum, your back, lower back is not arched. Lift up, total squeeze, slowly down. Real squeeze. Keep forcing your hips down and up. And slowly down. And up. And down. Constant contraction.
Literally does nothing.
38.
38 years old.
Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down.
I swear guys, first time I'm feeling my hamstring, exactly hamstring.
Yeah. Good, back up. Yes, you need to slap it to release the blood.
Hamstring press machine on.
And you need a really good machine, but once you get the right angle, you will feel it. Wow. So this one, this leg press is the perfect for it because we can do this. You see this platform? On this one, make it up, flat like this. Alright? So the angle will really help us work on the hammy. Don't go too heavy first to try it on, yeah? Press it up. Now tap, tap, tap your feet. You're gonna go all the way up. Okay, we're gonna keep the feet straight, not in a V or anything, not too wide, not too close. Now what you have to focus on, make sure you put your butt back in the place, so not rounding, back out. You already feel the stretch in your hamstring, okay? Bum is out, stomach you need to pull in. So we're gonna breathe in through your nose, tense your stomach. Now you're gonna keep pushing your bum against the cushion and bringing down the legs and lengthen the hamstring. You feel stretch, now you're gonna push through your heel to extend the knee. Like this, okay? So stretch it, out, bum out, extend the hamstring. You really feel it on the back of your leg. So I'm working through my heel. So you have to really focus not to engage your quads. Through all the way in your heel. Okay? It's a small movement, but it's a constant contraction. Once you got it, you feel it there, you can go a little bit heavier. Up, up, up. Stick your bum out. Pull your stomach in. Good. As you're going down, you feel stretch on your hammy. Go down, down, and push through your heels and extend your knee. You're going to just go little, only little. Stick your ass out and the legs going down. Pull your stomach in and extend. There, there, and down. Hyperextension on the lower back. That's, you know, you're pulling from the hammies when you go really slow.
hyperextension can be this hard. No weight, nothing. Like for example, like last time I did with 2 bodybuilders and it was 40 kg extra weight and you just need to do fast 20 times on row, reps. So with Barbie we're doing very slow. It's only 10 repetitions, but it's going as a fire. No weight guys, and it's like crazy. Давай. Oh my god.
I think she can feel it at the right places. Yeah. We are gonna work on the hammy single-legged, okay? So we're gonna have to bend the knee, okay, lock it, and then we're gonna stretch the hamstring, bringing the leg into the front and then kick it to the back. So your hamstring will be constantly in contraction. What you need to think about is keep your bum up and pull your belly button in, okay? When the leg going forward, you don't wanna feel like your bum is curling in, okay? Bum's out, stomach in, that will protect your lower back, got it? So bend the knee, lock it. Go more forward, feel the stretch, and just pull it with your hamstring. Keep the knee bent. Up. That's it.
Separation of each muscles what you have. Crazy dedication. Big hard work. This is talk time.
So
Finished just now hamstring workout. It was specific for hamstring for the girls. 5 exercises from my Barbie queen girl.
And we barely used any weights. Do you realize that?
Yeah, we used like small weights. It was like so intense. Like some small crumbs, like something pumping inside, I swear.
You really feel it. You have to focus just to make sure your hamstrings don't get too tight.
You can change your body, you can change yourself completely.
This workout will perfectly tone up the back of your legs. It will bring the blood flow into the right places, and the blood flow will do what? Remove the cellulite and excessive fat from the back of your legs. Especially if your diet is on point.
So you want to hear more advice? Subscribe and watch my next video. So, straighten your legs, put your comments if you have any question about our hamstring workout. Oh, I'm waiting inside there. It was super good. Babe, thank you a lot.
Subscribe to get a notification for our next video.
Video workout from pro. Bye.